How to get ESPN Plus. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To get yourself ESPN Plus, go ahead and open up a browser. If you are using iOS device, open up your Safari. In the search bar, search for ESPN Plus. Tap on the first suggestion it suggests. Now wait until you are redirected. In here at the bottom, you should find subscribe to ESPN Plus. Tap on it. Wait until it is loaded. Remember that you will have to log in to your ESPN account. If you do not have an account, you can easily sign up for free to your ESPN account. Once you are logged in, you will be redirected to the payment section. Right here, if you select your credit card, you will have to fill out this form. But first and foremost, select a plan of monthly or annual. Then enter your name on the card, card number, expiration date, security code and zip code. Tap on the terms and condition and hit the next icon. If you have your access to your PayPal, tap on PayPal. You can select the option of click the pay at the bottom of the page. Then once you tap on it, you also have to log in to your PayPal. Enter your credential to log in to your PayPal. Once you are done from the payment section, you will get your hands on your ESPN Plus. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.